Hey guys, it's John with Gridin Mobile Solar, and recently I was able to go to Sparta, Georgia and go to Nomad Fest. It was a lot of fun and I met a lot of great people. I also had the opportunity to do some tours of some schoolies, tiny houses, and trucks. So if you want to check them out, stay tuned. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell if you like tours like this. Help the channel grow. So we have a Ford F-150 here, set up as an overlander. Let's see what we can find out. All right, it's official. Here I come. Oh, hi. Is this your camper? Huh? Oops. Yeah. All right, so who are just you've seen these a lot of times, I'm sure, right?
Sure.
Those tour videos.
Yeah.
So just who are you and where are you from, and then just tell me a little bit about your rig.
Okay. My name's Katie Doan. Hashtag where's Katie Doan, or where the truck. I'm from Buffalo, New York originally. We've been traveling 11 months full time. Our goal is to do a year. We're pretty much there. Yeah, and this is my F-150 with an AT Atlas topper, custom built for mainline overland. And yeah, you want to check it out? It came with just this carpeted panel, like carpeting on here. So what I did is I went in with cedar planking and used Velcro and just put wood paneling on the ceiling and the sides, and then just built these cedar cabinets. Got water storage, which goes into the sink, faucet.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right.
Just makes it a little easier to get some water. And here, I'll hop in. And then this is my solar.
All right. Tell me a little bit about this.
Sure. So pretty simple setup. I only have 200 watts on the roof. I've got my Battleborn battery, battery monitor, 7515 charge controller, and a 12 volt dual battery charger. And I just have an inverter. It's not Synwave, but it does have the external shore power plug, which is nice.
Inverter charger?
Yep.
Okay.
Inverter charger. And yeah, I barely even use it because this is already connected to the truck battery as well.
Okay.
This has got lights in here already, and the exhaust fan is on the truck battery. Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about what's going on up here.
Sure. Max Air exhaust fan. I think it's a Euro window skylight. It's got the shaded bug netting in it. And then I've got 3 layers. I've got bug netting, then just clear panels. This is the stock tenting that it came with, and then I added a double layered quilt.
Go get more. Did you add all the rest of this insulation, or was that?
This came with it, but I mean, it was an extra sort of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it works well for keeping heat and cold in and out, so kind of.
Looks like there's plenty of room up there.
Yeah, it's queen size in length and just a little wider than a twin in width.
Can I come up in? I don't want to walk up in here without.
Yeah.
This is your home, so.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, so pretty simple. This panel just slides, and that's how I store it, and I put it on the back here.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool. Now, what is that bar in the back right up there?
That's the support that holds it up.
Okay.
I've got one on each side. So to pull it down, I essentially just unhinge them and pull them together, and that's how we pull it down.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
That's a nice setup.
Thanks.
And of course, you have your traveling companions here with you.
Of course, it wouldn't be a road trip without your furry children.
Yep. There's this one. Oh, there you go. Hi. The furry children.
Shorty.
Yeah. What are their names?
This is Short Round, aka Shorty.
Short Round. That's like Indiana Jones.
And this is Indiana.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah.
That's the Temple of Doom.
Yeah, you
right
remember.
there. Short Round. Yeah.
Yep.
That's hilarious.
I love
That's
it.
great.
Because my last name's Doan, so Indiana Jones.
Nice. That is fantastic. Yeah. Yeah, we need our traveling companions, don't we?
We absolutely do.
So,
I'm gonna do the same without him.
so is there anything you were talking about the awning? Tell me about the awning.
Sure. It's a 370-degree rhino rack batwing awning.
Mm-hmm.
It just collapses into the side, single file. It's been really good, especially for the rain.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a lifesaver. It just gives you so much room. It's neat that they all come with these zippers, so you can get panels and make an extra.
Oh,
room,
nice.
like, total room.
So you could if you really wanted to. Yeah.
I don't really have the room for all that right now.
Right.
But, yeah.
Confined spaces, you got to be careful about what you bring with you.
Yeah, it's a puzzle. Just putting everything together.
Looks like you've have good use of space. You got your running water, you got your power, so
Yeah.
you have external way to charge.
Mm-hmm.
So that's good.
Yeah.
You keeping these two happy? Look at that.
I know. Just keeping them cool. Yeah.
You got the old one and the young one.
Yeah. The wisdom is to be shared.
Yep.
Hopefully.
Can you tell me anything about the truck itself?
Sure. This is a 2016 F-150 Super Cab.
Mm-hmm.
4x4. I got a 2.5-inch lift on it because I was going over some kind of big rocks, and I just put some all-terrain tires on there. But it has done amazing because I've driven over some stuff that was sketchy AF, and this thing really, it crushes it.
Yeah.
And it's doing great. I mean, I haven't had any major repairs or anything, and we're like 4,000 away from 100,000 miles.
Nice. You know, you could put a lot more miles on these trucks than people think.
Yeah.
They think, oh my God, 200,000 miles, your truck's dead. And, you know, my Suburban's got almost 300 on it now.
Right?
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah, I'm thinking this will last forever. So it's a great truck. I love it. Right, guys? And it's nice because it's the Workman's Edition. So it's all vinyl inside.
Oh, good. More durable. You don't have to worry about carpet.
Right.
Yeah.
Just hose it down. It's great.
That's fantastic.
Yeah. We love it. I love this truck.
So as far as the truck top, you said you got that like that, other than the modifications and things. What does a truck topper like that run?
So they'll make a bare bones where it's just this, no windows anywhere. God, what'll that run you? You know, I don't even remember, but I can tell you I paid $18 for this.
Yeah. For the whole truck or for just the
topper.
camper? Just the topper, 18,000?
18,000, which seems really hefty. But these are kind of all the rage right now. They're the lead time for them. I got lucky. They had just started making these, and I was able to get it within a year. But the lead time for them now is like a couple years.
Wow. Plus, you can take these anywhere.
Anywhere, yeah.
You know, like I couldn't follow you with my camper trailer. You know,
right.
You
can, yeah. It's been really cool, especially Utah. I mean,
Utah's beautiful.
All the desert. That was a lot of fun. Yeah.
If you haven't been to the Valley of the Gods, get to the Valley of the Gods.
That's Colorado, right? Oh no, that's Garden
Utah.
of the Gods. Valley of the Gods is Utah.
Yep.
I'm upgrading though since our family is growing. So I'm gonna sell this because the company that makes it will buy it on consignment.
Nice.
So, and I love this truck, so I get to keep it.
There you go.
But I'm gonna do a short bus next.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. So and I'll just take the solar pieces.
Yeah. Did you do your soul yourself?
I did.
Nice.
Well, see what happened was I met a guy who designed it for me.
Yeah.
And he completely botched the system. So I had to go in and learn how to do everything.
Yep.
It's
well,
not
you know,
as
it's
bad.
better off that way because then if there's a problem, you know how to fix it.
It's definitely broken a bunch of times since then. So yeah, I was able to fix it.
There you
It
go.
worked really well. You know, another thing I did in here was I had installed a diesel heater.
Oh, nice.
To keep the cab warm. But diesel heaters are so powerful. I mean, they'll heat up these whole Sprinter vans. So the truck cab, it was overheating. So I had to take it out because it would like turn on, blast 1,000,000 degrees, and then be like, burp, overheated.
What do you use now for heat?
I went with one of those 12-volt heated blankets.
Oh, yeah?
And that really worked well for me.
Cool.
Yeah. This doesn't get too chilly. If you get in the 20s, then it's suffrage. But
What do you do for cooking?
I just have a little hiking stove,
Mm-hmm.
one of those lightweight, so I just boil
A little
water.
small propane.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not a cook anyway, so like you get crafty. This morning I made a burrito with peanut butter and apples with honey.
Yeah.
So you can get crafty with dried goods.
Oh yeah. Well, it's easier. It's easier to store that stuff.
Yeah.
What about refrigerator?
I tried one of those small, like $30 12-volt ones,
Mm-hmm.
but it's like the evaporative ones, right? So it's only as good as the air around it. So if the air is too hot, which in my case, always so hot, I'd love to get a Dometic. They're just so expensive.
Yeah.
So I've been doing coolers, which has not worked since I got in the South.
So tell me your social media stuff again.
Sure. You can follow me at Where the Truck with periods in between each word. I'm Katie Down. You can also Where's Katie Down. They link to each other because it's all the rage to have two. So I have that. My YouTube is also Where's Katie Down, but it's all linked in the Instagram if you can find that.
All right, great.
Cool. Thanks for talking
Thanks
to
for
me.
showing us the setup.
I gotta represent. I haven't seen any other trucks here.
I know.
So.
I think I'm only one of 2 camper trailers too. Everybody else's vans
Really?
and schoolies. Yeah.
Yeah. So we
But
gotta
nomads are nomads, you know.
That's right. No matter what you drive.
Exactly.